अच्छा है तो so today's our topic is exercise 6.5. We have discussed theory of first derivative test and second order derivative test. So today we'll discuss the application of the derivative test to find the maxima and minima and maximum value and minimum value and absolute maximum and absolute minimum values of any given function. Clear? So exercise 6.5 question number 1 is there. So in that question you have to find the maximum and minimum values if any. That means if value exists of the following given function. Functions are given, you have to find the maximum and minimum value if exist. So here either by using first derivative test or by using second derivative test is not mentioned. Done? So method is not mentioned, so you can use either of the method. So let's check question number 1. Find the maximum and minimum value. So for that, first function f of x is given, which is equal to 2x minus 1 square plus 3. 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3 is there. Here we have to find the maximum and minimum value. So here method is not mentioned. So let's try to find this by using both the methods. So first we'll use first order derivative test. So here you have to mention by first derivative test. So how can you find the maximum value and minimum value by first derivative test? So algorithm is that. So what you have to do? First you have to find f dash x and compare that f dash x with 0. So you will get the critical points and you have to locate the critical points on number line and then you have to find the sign of f dash x. So our f dash x equal to 0. F of x is 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3x is there. So its derivative is 2 into 2x minus 1 into again derivative of 2x is 2 plus derivative of 3 is 0, which is equal to 0. So these two 2's are 4 go into division of 0. So it's a 0. So it's a 2x minus 1 equal to 0. And therefore we are getting our first critical point, or we can say it's extreme point, x equal to 1 by 2. So this is our critical point. Critical point also known as extreme point. What is this critical point? These are the points at which maxima or minima occurs. That means the maximum value or minimum value of this function will occur at this x equal to 1 by 2. But now we have to identify whether it's a point of maxima or it is point of minima. We have to identify this point कि ये point of maxima है या फिर point of minima है. ये हमारा critical point है. That means ये तो अभी confirm हो गया कि ये point पर ही function की maximum value आएगी या minimum value आएगी. लेकिन maximum value आएगी या minimum value आएगी वो हमें identify करना है. That is your step number 2, identification step. So for the first derivative test, what we are doing? We are drawing one number line. Number line goes to minus infinite to plus infinite, and we have to locate this critical point on number line. So that critical point is 1 by 2. Done? Now, for the first order derivative test, what you have to do? You have to check the sign of this f dash x. We have to check the sign of this f dash x on the both side of this 1 by 2. That means on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. You have to check the sign of f dash x by putting the value of this x equal to 1 by 2 in our f dash x here. But you can simply write your f dash x as a 2 to the 4, 4 into 2x minus 1. This is your f dash x. So what is the sign of this f dash x when x is less than 1 by 2? So here we can say that when x is less than 1 by 2, that means on the left hand side of this 1 by 2, our f dash x will be on the left hand side of this 1 by 2, suppose x equal to 0 is there. Now we are taking one point x equal to 0 on the left hand side of this critical point. So we have to check the sign of this f dash x at x equal to 0. You can take any point on the left hand side of this 1 by 2. So if you are taking x equal to 0, put that 0 over here. So it's a minus 4. So f dash x is less than 0. Or f dash x is less than 0. Less than 0 means our f dash x is negative. Here our f dash x is negative on the left hand side of this 1 by 2. Clear? We have to check the sign of this f dash x on the both side of this f dash x. On the left hand side, our f dash x is negative when x equal to 0. Now consider one point. Suppose x equal to 1 on the right hand side of this 1 by 2. ये 1 by 2 के right hand side पर क्या आएगा? एक 1 आएगा. So what is the sign of this f dash x at x equal to 1? So put this x equal to 1 over here. So f dash x will be 2 1s are 2 minus 1. It's a 1, 4s are 4. Positive sign is there. So when x is greater than 1 by 2, that means on the right hand side of this 1 by 2, our f dash x is greater than 0, or f dash x is positive. Done. So on the left hand side of this 1 by 2 function, f dash x is negative. F dash x is negative means slope is negative. And on the right hand side, f dash x is positive. F dash x is positive means slope is positive. So if slope is negative around this point, on the right hand side slope is positive, our graph will be like this. So for this type of concave graph, what we are getting? Minimum value. So this x equal to 1 by 2 is nothing but the point of minima. So here we can say that x equal to 1 by 2 is nothing but the point of minima. Clear? Two steps are there. By comparing f dash x equal to 0, we are getting x equal to 1 by 2. So at that time we are saying that x equal to 1 by 2 is our critical point. That means at this point maxima और minima occur. हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन है, मैक्सिमा भी हो सकता है, मिनिमा भी हो सकती है, और तीसरा ऑप्शन भी है, ये पॉइंट ऑफ इन्फ्लेक्शन भी हो सकता है. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? आइडेंटिफिकेशन करते हैं. दिस इज आइडेंटिफिकेशन स्टेप. सो चेकिंग द साइन ऑफ एफ डैश एक्स ऑन दी बोथ द साइड्स. डन. सो इट्स अ नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव. ये मैंने आपको थियरी एक्सप्लेन की थी, वो देख लेना. हियर साइन ऑफ दिस एफ डैश एक्स इज चेंजिंग फ्रॉम माइनस टू प्लस. So it will the point of minima. So minimum value of the function is value of the function at x equal to 1 by 2. So minimum value, we are getting minimum value of the function, which is f of 1 by 2, and that is equal to, put x equal to 1 by 2 over here. So it's a 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3. 2 into 1 by 2, this is 1, 1 minus 1, 0 square, 0 plus 3. So this is 3. Clear? So you are getting minimum value. So minimum value of function is 3. We are not able to find the maximum value. So this is your answer by your first derivative test. Clear? Now, if you want to use second derivative test, then so let's try it. Now we are finding the value of maximum or minimum value of this function by second derivative test. So here you have to mention by second derivative test. So what is the working rule of this second derivative test? For second derivative test, again you have to find the f dash x. So we start with the given function f of x. F of x is 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3. Done. Then you have to find the first order derivative. फर्स्ट स्टेप तो सेम ही है, आपको फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना ही है दोनों में. सो टेक फाइंड एफ डैश एक्स विच इज 4 into 2x minus 1. Then you have to find the critical points. So to find critical point, compare f dash x with 0. So we are getting critical point x equal to 1 by 2. So the first step is common between first derivative test and second derivative test, है ना. Step 1 और ये suppose step 2. तो स्टेप 1 सब दोनों में कॉमन आएगा. दिस इज अवर क्रिटिकल पॉइंट. दिस इज अवर critical point, or this is our extreme points. यहाँ तक common. Now for first order derivative test, we are using number line and checking the sign of f dash x around the critical point. Now for the second derivative test, what you have to do? You have to find the second order derivative of given function. Second order derivative of given function. So second order derivative of this given function is, this is 8x minus 4, and this can be written as 8x minus 4. So f dash x is 8x minus 4. So f double dash x is 8 only. This is the value of second order derivative. Now you have to check the sign of this second order derivative for x equal to this critical point. So here you can say that our f dash x is not the function of x, it's a constant function. So for any value of x, it will always be positive. So here we can write f double dash x, find the value of this second order derivative at our critical point. ना critical point पर आपको second order derivative का value निकालना है. So that will be equal to 8 only, which is greater than 0. So if second order derivative is greater than 0, what is the meaning of second order derivative? Second order derivative represent convexity or concavity of any function. So here f double dash is greater than 0. So given curve is convex curve. So convex curve will be like this. So if curve will be like this, we are getting the minimum value of the function. So here 8 is greater than 0, f dash x is positive. So this is nothing but this x equal to 1 by 2 is nothing but the point of minima. Therefore x equal to 1 by 2 is point of minima. आ गया same, x equal to 1 by 2 is point of minima, and therefore our minimum value of the function will be f of 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2 is nothing but the 3. So this is how you can solve the given function by second order derivative. Very good, Arshida. Anna, stay home, stay safe. Now question number 2. Then we will apply question number 3, second order derivatives. तो दोनों की practice हो जाएगी. So question number 2. Here we are given that f of x equal to 9x square plus 12x plus 2. Given function f of x is 9x square plus 12x plus 2. Find the maximum value or minimum value if any. है ना, सापुतारा में चला गया अभी तो, बहुत आंधी तूफान है यहाँ पर. So f of x equal to 9x square plus 12x plus 2. Find the maximum value or minimum value. Here we are using only first derivative test. So first derivative test, you have to find the first order derivative. First order derivative of the function is f dash x, which is equal to 18x plus 12. Done. First order derivative. Then you have to find the critical points. And therefore, to find the critical points, we are taking f dash x equal to 0. So f dash is equal to 0. So which is 18x plus 12 equal to 0. And therefore, it is x equal to minus 12 by 18, which is equal to minus 2 by 3. So this is our critical point. Again, what is critical point? Extreme points. You know, we are using word critical points in our engineering, but in the NCERT they are mentioning like extreme points. So the critical point. So critical point is the point at which point of maxima or point of minima occur. But here at this stage we can't find whether it is the point of maxima or point of minima. So now we have to identify this point, whether it is point of maxima or point of minima, and for that we have to locate this point on number line. So for first order derivative, what we are doing? We are drawing one number line. locate our critical points on number line, and then we are checking the sign of our f dash x. We are checking the sign of our f dash x on the left hand side and the right hand side of our critical point. Clear? So now for this x equal to minus 2 by 3, we can consider minus 2 by 3 means minus 0.66 something. So for on the left hand side of this minus 0.66, we are taking 1.x equal to minus 1. For this x equal to minus 1, we are checking the sign of our f dash x. So what is our f dash x for x equal to minus 1? It's 18 into minus 1, minus 18 plus 12, minus 6. So our f dash x is negative over here. F dash x is negative over here, and consider one point x equal to 0 over here on the right hand side of our critical point. Put x equal to 0 over here. So f dash x is 12 positive. So f dash x is positive over here. So f dash x is negative. Here f dash x is positive. Same previous case, on the left hand side of the this critical point, the tangent will be like this negative slope, and here tangent will be like this positive slope. That means our curve will lies between these two slopes, two tangents. It will be like this. So this point is nothing but the point of minima. So here our f dash x is changing its sign from minus to plus, है ना. अगर सपोज प्लस टू माइनस आ गया तो पॉइंट ऑफ मैक्सिमा होगा. Here our f dash x is changing its signs around the critical point from minus to plus. That means x equal to minus 2 by 3 is the point of minima. Therefore, x equal to minus 2 by 3 is nothing but the point of minima. So at this point of minima, we are getting the minimum value. So minimum value of the function. So you have to find the minimum value of the function at x equal to minus 2 by 3, and you have to put this minus 2 by 3 in our function. Our function is 9x square plus 12x plus 2, है ना. जल्दबाजी में क्या करते हो, इसको भी यहाँ पर एफ डेस एक्स में रख के आते हो एग्जाम में, है ना. अब वही करेंगे देखना. अभी तो मेरे पास वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग भी है, सुनाऊंगा आपको. सो एफ माइनस 2 by 3 इज नथिंग बट दी 9 इंटू माइनस 2 by 3 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 12 इंटू माइनस 2 by 3 प्लस 2. इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन करना पड़ेगा, करते हैं. सो इट्स 9 इंटू माइनस 2 स्क्वायर 4 बाई 9 माइनस माइनस 3 4s are 12. It's a minus 8 plus 2. 9 9 cut. So it's a 4 minus 8 plus 2. So it's a minus 2. So our minimum value is minus 2. Clear? So minimum value of given function is minus 2. Or you can also find this minus 2 by second derivative test that you have to try yourself. Find the minimum value by second derivative test by yourself. अभी हम सिर्फ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट ही कंसिडर करें, जैसे आपका ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा. अच्छा, ठीक है. अभी दूसरी बार माइनस 2 प्लस आ गया. अभी एक और केस कंसिडर करते हैं. माइट बी यू आर गेटिंग प्लस 2 माइनस ओवर हियर. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, third sum. Here we are not mentioning by using first order derivative test or second derivative test. So you can use either of the test. But for the practice purpose, we are using only first derivative test. So now question number 3. We are given function f of x. Question is find maximum value or minimum value of the given function. So your function f of x is minus x minus 1 whole square plus 10. This is the function. So now by first derivative test. So by first derivative test. By first derivative test, we have to find the f dash x. So f dash x is, ये क्या होगा, minus 2 x minus 1, again differentiation of x which is 1 minus differentiation of 1 0 plus differentiation of 10 0. So it's a minus 2 into x minus 1. Done. So now to find critical points, we are taking our f dash x equal to 0. So this will be minus 2 x minus 1 equal to 0, which implies minus 2 division में जाएगा 0. So we are getting x equal to 1. This x equal to 1 is our extreme point or our critical point. Done. So here our point of maxima or point of minima will be there. So to find that point of maxima or point of minima, we have to identify it. So identification step है ना, ये step को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Identification step. यहाँ पर हम क्या identify करते हैं? We are identifying whether x equal to 1 is point of maxima or point of minima. Done. So for the identification, you have to write this x equal to 1 on your number line. This is plus infinite. This is minus infinite. Now this is our critical point. Now we are checking the sign of our f dash x on the left hand side of this critical point and the right hand side of this critical point. So you have to consider one point on the left side of this x equal to 1. So let's say that point is x equal to 0. We are considering one point x equal to 0 on the left hand side of this critical point. So for this x equal to 0, we are checking the sign of our f dash x, and for that you have to find f dash 0. So f dash 0, put x equal to 0 over here. So it's a 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2. So for x equal to 0, our sign of f dash x will be positive. This is our f dash 0, or f dash x is positive on the left hand side of this critical point. Now consider one point on the right hand side. Suppose this is 1. So here we are taking x equal to 2. कोई भी पॉइंट ले सकते हो, है ना, 1 to infinite के बीच में आपको कोई भी नंबर लेना है. So I am taking x equal to 2. So for this x equal to 2, you have to find the sign of this f dash x, which is our f dash 2. So put x equal to 2 over here. So it's a 2 minus 1. 1 into minus 2. Minus 2 is negative. So here it is negative. So we are getting the second case when f dash x is changing its sign from plus to minus. है ना? F dash x is the slope of tangent. So for this point, slope of tangent is positive. So tangent will be like this. This is a critical point, and for this side it is negative. This is negative. So slope will be like this in between these two tangent. Done. So here we are getting point of maxima. So here we can say that this x equal to 1. आपको ऐसे indicate करना है ना, for x less than 1 or f dash x is greater than 0 positive, and for x greater than 1 or f dash x is less than 0, and therefore this x equal to 1 is nothing but the point of maxima. This is the point of maxima. So at the point of maxima, we are getting maximum value. We are getting the maximum value. So maximum value of the function is, find the value of function at x equal to 1. So maximum value is f of 1, and that is equal to, put करो यहाँ पर 1. 1 minus 1, 0 square, 0 plus 10. So maximum value is 10. So maximum value of this function is 10. Clear, students? So this is your question number 3. Now question number 4. So here we are given one function g of x. G of x equal to x cube plus 1. Find the maximum and minimum value. Find the maximum and minimum value. Maximum or minimum value. So again by using first derivative test, we want to apply first derivative test, and for that first order derivative of function g of x is g dash x, which is equal to 3x square. Now for critical points, we are taking g dash x equal to 0, therefore 3x square equal to 0, and therefore we are getting x equal to 0. X equal to 0 is our critical point. That means maxima or minima lie at this point. So you have to identify that point, whether it is point of maxima or point of minima. This is minus infinite, this is plus infinite, This is our point x equal to 0. Now we have to consider any points on the left hand side of this x equal to 0. So consider x equal to -1 over here. So you have to find the sign of f dash x on the left hand side of this x equal to 0. So x equal to -1, find f dash -1. Sorry, g dash here. So g dash -1. So g dash -1 will be 3 minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square is 1 into 3. Positive sign is there. So here our g dash x is positive. On the left hand side of this x equal to 0, our g dash x is positive. This is positive. Consider one point on the right hand side, 0. On the right hand side we are taking x equal to suppose 1. So here to check the sign of g dash 1, put 1 here, 1 square 1 and 3. Again it's positive. So here our g dash x is not changing sign from लेफ्ट हैंड साइड टू राइट हैंड साइड, है ना. पॉजिटिव था वो पॉजिटिव रहा. मैक्सिमम और मिनिमा के लिए क्या था, सपोज मिनिमा है तो क्या था, माइनस से प्लस जा रहा था. मैक्सिमा है तो क्या है, प्लस से माइनस आ रहा था फंक्शन. और ये प्लस टू प्लस ही हो रहा है. सो फॉर दिस कंडीशन हमने थियरी में स्टडी किया था, दिस x इक्वल टू 0 इज नथिंग बट द पॉइंट ऑफ इन्फ्लेक्शन. इट्स अ पॉइंट ऑफ inflection. Done. So at which we are not finding maxima or minima. Function is not changing its value. We are not able to find the maximum value and minimum value. This is the third case of this function. Done. So this is the first case, or you can say first sum at which we are finding our point of inflection. तो अभी ये भी concept आपको clear हो गया. What is point of inflection? Done, students. So this is how